Meet Maya. She's in 7th grade, she loves basketball, and right now she's staring at her algebra homework like it's written in another language. The problem says, factor 12x plus 8. Factor? What does that even mean? If you've ever felt exactly like Maya, you are in the right place. Today we're going to unlock the secret of factoring algebraic expressions, and by the end, you'll be solving these faster than Maya can make a free throw. Let's go! Okay, so what is factoring? Think about the number 12. You already know that 12 equals 3 times 4, right? You just factored 12. You broke it into smaller pieces that multiply together. Factoring an algebraic expression is the exact same idea, just with variables mixed in. Instead of expanding or multiplying things out, we're going backwards. We're finding what was multiplied together to make the expression. Think of it like algebra running in reverse. Pretty cool, right?
Here's your secret weapon, the greatest common factor, or GCF. The GCF is the biggest number, or expression, that divides evenly into every single term. Let's say you have 12x plus 8. The terms are 12x and 8. Ask yourself, what's the biggest number that goes into both 12 and 8? Well, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. The biggest one they share? That's 4. So our GCF is 4. This goes outside the parentheses when we factor.
Now let's talk about the game plan, your 4-step factoring strategy. Step 1, find the GCF of all the terms. Step 2, divide every term in the expression by that GCF. Step 3, write the GCF on the outside and put what's left inside parentheses. Step 4, and this is the one most students skip, check your answer by expanding it back out. If you multiply the GCF back through the parentheses and get your original expression, you nailed it. Maya's using this checklist right now. Let's use it too. This is Maya's exact homework problem. Let's solve it together. We have 12x plus 8. Step 1, find the GCF of 12 and 8. That's 4. Step 2, divide each term by 4. 12x divided by 4 is 3x. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Step 3, write it as 4 times the quantity 3x plus 2. So our factored form is 4 times open parentheses 3x plus 2 close parentheses. Step 4, let's check. Multiply 4 times 3x to get 12x, then 4 times 2 to get 8. That gives us 12x plus 8. It matches. Maya just got her first answer right. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Sometimes the GCF includes a variable, not just a number. Say you have 6x squared plus 9x. Both terms have an x in them, right? So x is part of the GCF too. For the numbers, the GCF of 6 and 9 is 3. For the variables, both terms have at least one x, so x is shared. When variables are involved, always take the smallest power. Here, that's just x to the first power. So the full GCF is 3x. This trips a lot of students up, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let's factor 6x squared plus 9x. Step 1, find the GCF. The GCF of 6 and 9 is 3. Both terms also share an x, so the GCF is 3x. Step 2, divide each term by 3x. 6x squared divided by 3x, the 6 divided by 3 is 2, and x squared divided by x is x, so that gives us 2x. Then 9x divided by 3x, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and x divided by x is 1, so that's just 3. Step 3, write it as 3x times the quantity 2x plus 3. Let's verify. 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and 3x times 3 is 9x. That's 6x squared plus 9x. We're correct. Now Maya's trying a 3-term expression, 15x squared plus 10x plus 5. 3 terms? No problem. Same strategy. Step 1, find the GCF. For the numbers 15, 10, and 5, what's the biggest number that divides all 3? 5 goes into 15, 10, and 5 evenly. The variable terms, 15x squared has x squared, 10x has x, but 5 has no x at all, so no x in the GCF. The GCF is just 5. Step 2. Divide each term by 5. 15x squared divided by 5 is 3x squared. 10x divided by 5 is 2x. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Step 3. Write 5 times the quantity 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Check. 5 times 3x squared is 15x squared. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 1 is 5. Original expression restored? Perfect. Maya made a couple of slip-ups when she first tried these, and honestly, most students do too. So let's talk about the most common mistakes. First, using a GCF that's too small. For 12x plus 8, some students say the GCF is 2 and get 2 times 6x plus 4. That's technically factored, but it's not fully factored. 4 is still even. Always use the greatest common factor. Second, forgetting a term inside the parentheses. Third, when variables are shared, don't leave them outside the GCF accidentally. And always, always, expand your answer to check it. These habits will save you points on every test. Let's level up. Maya's ready for this one. Factor 8x cubed plus 12x squared. Step 1. Find the GCF. For the numbers 8 and 12, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The GCF of 8 and 12 is 4. For the variables, 8x cubed has x cubed, and 12x squared has x squared. The smallest power is x squared, so x squared is part of our GCF. The full GCF is 4x squared. Step 2. Divide each term. 8x cubed divided by 4x squared. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and x cubed divided by x squared is x. That gives 2x. 12x squared divided by 4x squared. 12 divided by 4 is 3, and x squared divided by x squared is 1. That gives 3. Step 3. Write 4x squared times the quantity 2x plus 3. Check. 4x squared times 2x is 8x cubed, and 4x squared times 3 is 12x squared. That matches. One more challenge. Maya's on a roll now. Factor 20x squared plus 16x plus 4. Step 1. GCF of 20, 16, and 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Does 4 divide into 20? 20 divided by 4 is 5. Yes. Does 4 divide into 16? 16 divided by 4 is 4. Yes. So the GCF of the numbers is 4. Now for variables. The term 4 has no x at all, so no variable in the GCF. GCF is just 4. Step 2. Divide each term. 20x squared divided by 4 is 5x squared. 16x divided by 4 is 4x. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Step 3. Write 4 times the quantity 5x squared plus 4x plus 1. Check. 4 times 5x squared is 20x squared. 4 times 4x is 16x. 4 times 1 is 4. We get 20x squared plus 16x plus 4. Maya is unstoppable. Here's a bonus pro move that separates good students from great ones. After you factor, look inside your parentheses. Ask yourself, can I factor anything inside here again? For example, if you got 2 times the quantity 6x plus 4, notice that 6x plus 4 still has a GCF of 2 inside. That means you're not fully factored yet. You'd need to factor again to get 4 times the quantity 3x plus 2. A fully factored expression is one where nothing inside the parentheses shares a common factor anymore. This is your final quality check. Use it every time. Remember when Maya was totally stumped by 12x plus 8? Look at her now. She's solving 8x cubed plus 12x squared in under a minute. Here's your factoring recap. Step 1. Find the GCF. Look at numbers and variables. Step 2. Divide every single term by the GCF. Step 3. Write GCF times the stuff in parentheses. Step 4. Expand to check your work. And remember, always make sure you're fully factored by checking if anything inside the parentheses still shares a factor. Factoring is your new algebra superpower. Practice a few problems tonight. You've absolutely